Hi, this is Dr. Bev Knox from BevKnox.com. I am here today to inspire you and encourage you to have a healthy relationship with yourself. When you look into the mirror, I want you to be proud. I want you to be happy. I want you to be so satisfied emotionally with what you see. Not only do I want you to say, oh my gosh, I am fabulous. Oh my goodness, I feel good about myself because of the way I look, my self-concept, my self-esteem. I am beneficial to the world. I am pursuing my dreams. Not only do I want you to say and feel that, I want you to maintain that. I want you to maintain a positive, healthy relationship with the person you see in the mirror. I want you to work on it daily. Every single day, I want you to get up, look at yourself in the mirror and say, I love me. The person that I'm seeing right there in the mirror, that's me. That's my ideal self. My ideal self may always be a step ahead of who I really am. Please understand that, because we have to set goals in life to achieve more in life on various realms, not just in the physical world. We have to split that apart, by the way. We have to set goals to achieve in our family life, in our love and relationship life, our social life, our education life, our mental health status, absolutely, which is part of our health zone to begin with, because it's separated in three. You've got your physical health, yes, your mental health, and your emotional health. You've got to set goals in all of these areas. Your spiritual life, absolutely, set goals there too. I want you to look in the mirror and love the person that you're seeing. Love the person that you are seeing. I want you to maintain a healthy relationship with your ideal self you're staring at in the mirror. This is Dr. Bev Knox encouraging you to have a healthy relationship with you.